friends. So as you all know, with the help of AI, we can actually do a lot of things. So in this tutorial, we are also going to see that how we can create an AI video, and that is also without any manual efforts. So let's start with this video.
Hello to this food court, Shoot, a place where every food stall hides a unique story. Hello, I am Rahul. Can you tell us which juice is the most popular at your stall?
Mango juice is our most popular drink. Customers love it.
That sounds delicious. Thank you for sharing.
So friends, did you observe that we made AI videos so realistic that without using any high quality camera and not even using real actor, but still the video was so amazing. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can make AI videos using just three tools: the ChatGPT, Google Flow and the Whisk AI. So let's start with the ChatGPT. Before we start, we should be more clear about what type of video we have to create. So whether it's informational or educational, so we need to be clear on that part. So I am clear that I want to generate a story where a girl entering the food court and where she visit visit some of the food counter and interviewing them. So I'm clear about this story. So what I'll do is I'll just I already actually um, noted that what type of video I want, so I just simply copy that and I'll paste here. So what I am searching, what I am looking for a story that a girl whose name is Rasha, she's entering into a food court and taking interviews of some of the food counters shopkeepers. So I'll just hit here, and what GPT will do for me is he will just divide my story into small scenes. So based on scenes, the scenes are already described. So the scene one is like entering the food court, at the juice stall, then at the burger shop, then at the sweet shop. So here are some scene that GPT suggested me. So after getting this type of scene, I'll immediately, what I'll do is I will create an image font for each of this scene. So I'll just ask ChatGPT to generate image prompt for all above scenes, and just hit. So what GPT will do it, GPT will give me the image prompt in detail for my video. So here I can see that I'm getting all the image prompt on my based on the above scenes. So what I do is I'll just copy this. So this is the first scene, second scene. So why this image prompt is needed here, that let's say with the help of the AI tool which I introduces, that Whisk AI. With the help of Whisk AI, I just wanted to create my images based on this image prompt. So what I'll do is I'll just simply copy this image prompt. Okay, and I'll search for Whisk AI. So this is the very first tab. I'll just hit over here, and I already logged in user, so I don't need to logged in again. But as a new user, you have to log in with your account with your proper ID and password. Then you are in the Whisk AI. So after logging in, you just need to click on the enter tool. Thereafter, this page will appear. Here you just need to paste the prompt which you are copying from the ChatGPT. So first image that I want is entering the food court. So I'll just copy. I already copied this, so I'll just go to Whisk AI and just paste here. and just click on this arrow. So what Whisk AI will do, Whisk AI will actually suggest me some images with my following content. So what I did is a young girl named Rasha entering a busy food court holding a notebook and a shoulder bag. So you can see on the images, looking curious and excited, colorful food stalls in the background. So this is everything is matching in both of the scene, but I want the girl should be a bit. So I just modify my search that a girl with let's see 22 year. Okay, name Rasha. I'll keep other things as it is. So if you want, you can also change here the content as you want. But I want I just slightly change my content and I'll search again. So my images are loading. Now you can see that I got another girls over here. So I'll click this one, and there is a download button. So whichever you want, you can click from here. I'll just click this one, and this will be get downloaded for me. So you can see the images are downloaded. Now if you want more realistic images, then you can search here as well. More realistic images, and if you then search, you can get this. Now what I did is, my first scene image is ready, that entering a food court. Okay, then now for my next scene, for example, let's say at the sweet shop. So I'll just copy this content and go to the Whisk AI again. So before posting it, so what I need to do is, as I downloaded this one, I simply need to add image. So I click on the add image, then uh, there the upload image options will appear on the left hand side of your laptop, so on your screen. So you just need to drag and drop this image over here and wait for a second to settle down that image. Then after doing this, I just simply delete this and paste my other prompt, like in the sweet shop. So I will so here what I'm looking is that Rasha standing in front of a dessert shop filled with cakes and pastries, chocolate cakes, cupcakes, and sweet displayed neatly. Rasha looks happy and impressed while while talking to the shopkeeper. Soft lightning, colorful dessert, realistic illustration, cozy and joyful mood. So you can see that my everything, whatever the content I wrote over here, Whisk AI generated the same thing. This everything is perfect, and the image also, you can see that my first image and my second scene image is so consistent. So I'll just simply downloaded this one. I like this one. You can it's up to your choice that which image you wanted to download. I'll simply download this. So after getting this, what I'll do is, I'll go to the chat GPT, and now my final step is to go to the Google Flow. So I'll just search over here Google Flow, And this is the tab where which I needed, so I'll just click over there. I'll just click on the Google Flow, and why Google Flow is needed? Google Flow is needed for making your or converting your images which you had already downloaded from the Whisk AI just to make it a video. So we need the Google Flow. So when we once we logged in into the Google Flow, you just need to click on the Create with Flow. So just click on the Create with Flow, then the new project, click on new project, and you simply come to the web page where you need to upload your JSON code. And the JSON code, for that you have to take again the help from the ChatGPT. So we are here. So so what we are gonna do is, now we'll go to the ChatGPT and we'll ask for the JSON code for our content. Let's say for my so the first scene of mine was entering the food code, so I want a JSON code for that. So what I'll do is I'll just go and just ask GPT to create a JSON code for me. Okay, so let me just copy paste here, so you can tag this, but as uh, this is in the other language, so I'll just ask this to convert, please make it in English and provide JSON code. Okay, so ChatGPT will do will create a JSON code for us for the first scene, that is entering the food court. So you can see here that it created a code for us in a just like in a few minutes. And what we have to do is, we nothing need to do anything, we just need to copy code from here. We just copy the code and again go to the flow, we'll go to the flow and just paste it over here. Okay, after doing this there is a drop down text to video. So if you just immediately go and click on this, then what flow will do is it will take its own image and convert this code into video. But as I already downloaded the images from the Whisk AI, so I'll click on this option, frames to video, and from here I'll just upload my image. So I will go while uploading the image. So these are already made assignments over there. So this is the one which I latestly downloaded. So I'll take this, I'll check for the landscape, what kind of image size I want, video size I wanted, whether it's a portrait or a landscape. But I'll go with the landscape only, so I'll keep it as it is. And I don't think I need to crop this image in any way. So I'll feel it is perfect, so I'll just save it, and my image will be uploaded here. Once once it get uploaded, I just need to click on this arrow. So we'll wait for a second to get uploaded. So you can see now the image is uploaded, and you just need to click on this arrow. So yeah, this will create a video for me for my entering the food court scene. Till the point, we'll just look into everything from the starting, that what we had done till now. The first step is, you just need to go to the chat GPT, then ask for the story to create. The GPT will create you a story for you in the form of the scenes. So you can take a few scenes from here, and you can modify that scenes according to your choice and need for the video. Then after that, the immediate step you have to do is to generate the image prompt for all your scenes. Once you done this, you don't need to do anything. You just need to copy this particular image prompt for the particular scene, and just go to the Whisk AI. Go to the Whisk AI, then here you just need to paste the prompt and just click on the arrow button. You'll get the images according to your prompt. At any point of time you can actually modify your prompt as well. So this is the one thing. After that, uh, once you once you get the images, you can download as per your video, as per your need, and then you can go with the final process with the flow. Once you come to the flow, you just need to uh, upload your downloaded images over here, and just click on the just create then again go back to the GPT, create a JSON code for it. You can actually refer this content of mine simply as it is. You can copy paste it, and then you can modify it, or you can create your own one. Just the starting thing, if you want, you can take it over from here, and then you can go to the flow, and just paste your code over here, and you need to okay, I need to upload my image over here. So I uploaded my image, and just need to click on the arrow button, and finally you can see the video is also ready. So we'll just check how it looks.
Hello, friends! Today I have come to this food court, Quero, a place where every food stall hides a unique story. Hello, friends! Today I have come to
So you can see how beautifully AI created a beautiful video for me. So friends, till now we have seen that how can we make AI video without any manual efforts, just with the help of ChatGPT, Google Flow, and the Whisk AI. But now what we need to do next is just merge all the scenes that we will convert that into the video. So for that we can use any editor tool. For example, if I'll suggest you the Canva or the InShot, because they are easy to use and free tool as well. So what are you waiting for? Just try it out. Just make your videos and merge it with the help of Canva or InShot or any other editor tool, and make your complete AI video.